So on this one, negative 24 plus x, just right there, we know we're solving for x. We're always solving for x. Okay, so right here, just because we got addition or subtraction, I'd consider it subtraction because we had to get rid of the negative 24, but that means I got to make a 0. And again, it's strictly because of the operation that's being used. Whether you want to consider it addition or subtraction, what I'd like from this is to take that x and just to be able to drop it by itself. The equal sign will always drop. I mean, I put that there now, I put it there earlier, it doesn't matter. But what I know is that I have to force that negative 24 to be 0. I'm going to make it do what I want it to do. I don't want it to take control of me. So I'm going to make it a 0 by adding 24. Again, I put this line here on purpose so that I can keep track of if I'm doing something to the left side, operations. Like dropping the x, I can't be like, well, I'm going to drop this x. There's no x. But the plus 24, yeah, I got a plus 24 on both sides. So that does 0 out. Negative 24 plus 24, that's a 0. We dropped the x already. Negative 33 plus 24, there's more negatives than positives. They're opposite signs. And we take the big number and subtract the small number. Make that 13 minus 4 is old 9er. 2 minus 2 is 0. And we get negative 9. Now the check. So 24 plus x should equal negative 33. That was the original equal statement. But now we're going to take the x and replace it with 9. Sorry, negative 9. Now, I mean, I'm not going to change that to a minus sign. I know that I'm adding the two values together. I'm going to make sure that this is true. But I got a negative plus a negative, so it's just going to become more negative. More meaning take the 24 and 9 and add them together. That's how negative the result is going to be 4 plus 9 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So I end up with negative 33 equals negative 33, which is true. Since it's true, we did in fact find the solution.